Hello everyone, nice to see you online. Again I am back with the new set of questions, that is the mathematics part now. So previously I have discussed in the physics all the questions. Kindly go and look into that. All the physics questions I have discussed from the model question paper 1, which is provided by KSEAB, and this is lecture 2 of my discussion. Okay, this is lecture 2 of my discussion. In the lecture 1 I have discussed all the MCQs, all 1 mark question, and up to question number 20 I have discussed, and after that we have ended the class. So today's this topic of discussion will be from the question number 21. So let us begin our discussion on solving the questions from question number 21 itself. Okay, so let us begin our discussion on this. So I hope you all remember that up to question number 21 we have discussed yesterday. So let me know the any kind of suggestion. Sir, if I find it very difficult, can you give any tip? Alan is telling. See, the only tip is you should thoroughly solve previous year question papers, and you should solve as much as possible the previous year preparatory papers and all, in order to get confidence in this subject. Okay, so then Sunanda, hello, hi, good evening. So let us not waste time, we'll start with the discussion now. So up to where I have done, somebody can remember all these questions yesterday we have solved. Okay, so up to question number 20 we have solved. I hope up to question number 21 I think we have done. So question number 22 we have solved yesterday. Okay, up to question number 22 we have done. So in the quadratic equation we got the equation, then question number 22 internally. Now the matter of discussion is from question number 23, all the questions I will be discussing. So maximum question I try to discuss in this session. Sir, if you study this, we can pass the preparatory exam, definitely, but thoroughly you should practice not only this, both the model question paper 190 you should practice thoroughly in order to get pass in your preparatories. But for board exam you want to uplift your studies, if you want to come up, want to increase your boost your studies, so you can get the passing package, scoring package. So you can just connect to this number 8123426450, all subjects, 12 set of books you will get, so you can get improve your studies. That is what I can suggest to you all. So not wasting much time, let us begin. Prithvi sir, application level, yes, definitely I will begin. So yes, let me know the answer for this. See, in the question what it is given in the figure, xy is a tangent. They said that what xy is a tangent at a point P to a circle with center O. Q is point, Q is any point on xy. You should show that OQ. This, if you join OQ, so you should show that OQ is greater than OP. So how to solve this one? Can somebody let me know how to come up with the solution of this question? See here, very simple question. Angle P is what? 90 degree. So can somebody tell me why angle P is 90 degree? Angle P is 90 degree because the radius and tangent are perpendicular. You know, this is the tangent and this is the radius, and the radius at, if you drop, you know that the radius and tangent at the point of contact will be what? Perpendicular. So radius drawn at the point of contact is perpendicular to a tangent is theorem. So 10.1 you already know it. Keeping that in mind, you should be able and capable to solve it. So why radius is perpendicular to tangent? Okay, that is the thing you should know. Now if it is perpendicular, so this will be what? Hypotenuse. Okay, this will be hypotenuse. Then you know, by Pythagoras theorem, what will you get? By Pythagoras theorem, you will get what? OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. That means hypotenuse is what? It is the longest side of a triangle. So OQ, see, hypotenuse OQ. So hypotenuse OQ is the longest side of a triangle. Longest side of a triangle OPQ. Therefore, OQ is greater than what? OP. Like this, you should be able to solve this. If you mention angle P is equal to 90 degree, here only you will get what? 1 mark. If you write radius and tangent are perpendicular, and then you should tell that the opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse, that is OQ, then you should claim, you should just tell OQ. Yes, you can get what? OQ is the hypotenuse and it is the longest side of a triangle. Therefore, OQ is greater than OP. Like this you can able to solve. Very good. OQ is the hypotenuse. Writing that will carry 1 mark. Abram is telling nice that sir, how you are you sir, and had your dinner? Unique twins is asking. No, I need to travel a long distance to reach home, so as soon I need to finish the as much as questions today, then I will move to home. Thank you for so much care, dear. So yes, so prove that 2 plus root 2 and root 5 both comes for 5 mark. Okay, so Harsh is telling had dinner sir. No dear. So yes, let us begin with what the solution of next set of question. See, a toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. This is question number 24. One of the most important question from surface areas and volumes. And you know that total chapter weightage is 7 to 8 marks, and you should not lose a single mark in this. Okay. So let us begin our discussion here. So I am Pratham. Gamer is telling I am Pratham. Hello Pratham. Nice to see you online, and the focus what you are showing in the studies. So now see here what they are telling. A toy is in the form of cone. Okay, there is a toy, it is in the form of cone. Okay, so suppose this is the cone. A toy is in the form of cone of radius what? 3.5 centimeters. So radius is how much? 3.5 centimeter. It is mounted on a hemisphere. So where it is mounted? It is mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. That means it is mounted on the same hemisphere. If the total height, so from here to here, so total height is how much? Total height is 15.5 centimeter. You should find TSA of the toy. So you should find what? TSA. So let me know how to find TSA now. Just look into this figure. See, if this is 3.5, so can I tell from here to here it is also 3.5? Why? Because it is a semicircle. It is what? Hemisphere. So if you draw like this, okay, if you just draw, you will get what? If you draw like this, okay, just you can draw, you will get 3.5. Now, what is the height of cone will you get? What is the height of cone you will get? See, height of cone will be 15.5. From this whole height, if you subtract this 3.5, you will get what? 12 centimeter. So the height of cone is how much? 12 centimeter you will get. I hope you got this. Okay, you got to know how we got the height of cone. But what is the formula for CSE of cone? CSE of cone is having pi r L. L means what? The slant height. We need to find what? The slant height. That means this L we need. So what is the formula of L? L is r square plus h square. That is L is equal to root of r square plus h square. That is nothing but what? Slant height. Okay. Now what is the formula for L? R square. R is given. So this is R. R is how much? 3.5 centimeter, and H just now we have found that is 12 centimeter. Okay. You are getting it. See, if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you, Abraham. This is a textbook question. So I'll just solve it fast. Okay. So then what will you get here? R is what? 3.5 square, and H is how much? 12 square. So it is 12.25 plus 12 square is 144. So here how much will you get? 35 square is 12.1225. Therefore you will get how much? 12.25 you will get in this contest. Okay. So I hope you are getting it. If you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives. Then you can get 156.25 root is L. So L you will get how much? 12.5 centimeter. Okay. So like this you should be able to solve. Now what should you do? After this you should find what TSA of toy. So what is the formula for TSA of toy? TSA is CSA of. Remember, whenever they ask you to find TSA, you should add CSA and CSA. If you add CSA and CSA, then only you will get what? TSA. So here CSA of cone. So you can just see the two figures here. There is a cone, CSA of cone and CSA of cylinder. If you are CSA of cone and CSA of hemisphere, if you add, you will get what? TSA. So here CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So what is CSE of cone? You should by heart it is pi RL, and its CSE of hemisphere is, you should remember it is 2 pi r square. Okay. Then what is common? Pi r is common. Pi r is common. If you take pi r, L will remain here. Here you will remain with 2r. Then what is pi? Pi is 22 by 7. R is how much? So you just see 3.5. L is how much? Slant height, just now we have found it is 12.5. 2 into 3.5 it is. Now 7 ones are 7, 5s are, that means 0.5 you will get here. Then 22 into 0.5 will give you 11. It is 12.5 plus double of 2 into 3.5. So what is double of 3.5? It is 7. So you will get what? 7 here. So it is 11 into 19.5. So how much will you get? 11 into 19.5 is 214.5 centimeter square, because it is area. So you should get unit as what? It is square. I hope you got this answer. So if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives. Definitely at the end of this session, like yesterday, up to question number 22, I have sent all the I have sent all the questions with answer. So up to where I will solve today, I will share the PDF from beginning to the end. So kindly just in line with me, any kind of suggestion, feedback or any kind of feedback, just kindly put in a comment section. And if you want to uplift your studies by scoring and passing package of all the 6 subjects, total 12 set of books you will get, kindly contact to the number here which is given on the screen, 8123426450. Our team is always ready to glad to just deliver you books in 2 or 3 working days. Okay, so thank you so much for so much support and so much of interest that you are showing towards your studies also is it is commendable. Okay, it is so so much interest you are showing, and only 76 days are remaining now. Each and every day is very important, that add value to your the marks. Okay, so kindly make sure that study hard. Any kind of doubt suggestion put here so that I can glad to answer all your questions. Okay, so let us not waste time, move on to next question. I hope you got the clarity. So the next question is what? The volume of sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area they are telling. Okay, so the next is what? Most of you are online here, so nice to see that so much good response I am getting. So we need to solve this question now. See, the volume of sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area is the question. So how to solve this one? See here, this volume of sphere is given. So volume of sphere is what? 539 by 3. So volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This one you should by heart. It is 539 by 3. You will get. Okay, 539 by 3. You will get. I hope you are getting. Now it is 4 by 3. You write 22 by 7 here into r cube, which is equal to 539 by 3. Now what should you do? R cube is equal to 539 by 3 into 7. You multiply, because this denominator will go to numerator. 7 into 3, then 22 and 4. The numerator will come down. 22 into 4. So how to start? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 11 2s are 22. 11 4s are 44. Then 9 will remain. 11 9s are 99. So you will end up with getting what? R cube is equal to 49 into 7. Then it is 4 2s are 8 you will get. So R cube, how much will you get? This 49 I can write to 7 into 7 into 7, and this will be 2 cube. So it is 7 by 2, 7 cube by 2 cube. So what answer can you expect here? R cube is equal to 7 by 2 the whole cube. Cube will get cancelled. Therefore R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, I hope you got that radius we found now. What is the radius now? It is 7.2 centimeter. I hope most of you are online. Harsh, hello. Then yes, Kundan is telling, okay, they are discussing about RCB and CSK. Nice that अब 10th है, so I request all the students to focus and just talk more about studies rather than the unimportant things. Okay, so let us move the discussion on this. We found radius, but what is the question asked? You should find its surface area. I hope you got. So I repeat. See, volume of sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube is given. So volume of sphere is what, 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you just cross multiply and if you just cancel out, you will get what? R cube is equal to 7 cube by 2 cube, 7 by 2 the whole cube. Then the cube will get cancelled. So R you will get what? 7 by 2 centimeter. Then we should find its surface area. So what is CSA of sphere or TSA of sphere? It is 4 pi r square. So what is 4 pi r square? 4 into 22 by 7, and just now we found r. So let me know what is the value of r. 7 by 2, but it is cube. You should write how many? 3 times you should write. Okay, it is a cube. So sorry, it is a square. So it is, you should write 7 by 2 2 times. So 7 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2. 11s are 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 4. So total answer you end up with 2 into 11 into 7. So it is 11 into 14. Okay, so you can get what answer here? It is 11 into 14. So just multiply 11. 11 4s are 44. 11 is 11. 154 centimeter square is what? Area. So I hope you got the total answer for this. Okay, so if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives of solving the questions, and that will motivate me to come up with more such live sessions. I hope you are understanding all the live sessions here. Okay, so yes, so let us begin with the discussion of what the next question now. So the next question is what? Question number yes, 24 we have done. Now the question number 25. Okay, see, these are the 3 mark questions. Now I will begin with what? Solving the 3 mark questions. So all the 1 mark questions I have done, all the objective type questions, 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, everything each and one in detail. So if you are finding it helpful, I request everyone, those who are online, kindly put the thumbs up in the comment section below so that I can see you people are in line with me and following me. Okay, so that motivates me that you people are following and in line with me. Okay, so let us begin with what? Question number 25 now. So nice to see. Yes, Samyak, yes, Kuber is taking the name of Samyak. Nice it is. So next you can Samruddhi. Okay, Harsh, yes. So let me know the answer for next one. So yes, hi, hello, yes. Then we'll have yes, Bhagya. Yes, thank you so much for giving thumbs up. That shows that you are in line with me. Coming to the next set of question. See, one of the zero of polynomial. Question is what? Question number 25 is one of the zero of polynomial p of x is x square minus 5x plus k is one more than the other. You should find what value of k. So let us begin with the solution of this one. So yes, see here how to solve this. So the given is what? The equation polynomial p of x is x square minus 5x plus k is the equation, and they said one of the zero of polynomial. Can you tell me which are the zeros of polynomial? You know that alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial. I hope you know that alpha and beta are what? Zeros of polynomial. So if I take let alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial. You should let what? Alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial. So what will you get? They said alpha is alpha, then beta is what? See, beta, that means one of the zero of polynomial is one more than, that means beta is one more than the other. Other means what? The other one is what? Beta, the other one is alpha. Okay, this is what the condition is given. Now what you should do? You should solve sum of zeros. Okay, you should find sum of zeros. So what is the formula for sum of zeros? Can somebody comment in the comment section below so that I can get to know what is the formula for sum of zeros? Yes, let me know what is the formula for sum of zeros. थोड़ा distraction होता रहता है. Harsh is telling, don't get distracted buddy. So yes, exam फोड़ना है. Harsh is telling yes, you should तोड़ना नहीं फोड़ना है. So you should crack the exam. That is what you should do. Okay. Kumar Gowda Patil is telling hi, hello. Now I am expecting what is the formula for sum of zeros. That is alpha plus beta, so that I can solve the question. So yes, minus BA. It is BA or B by A. Sam is telling it is minus BA. Others, I expect you to just comment in the comment section below so that I can motivate. I get motivated. Yes, it is bar A. Very good. Yes, Harsh is telling yes. Hello, Harsh. So let me know what answer can you expect here. Sum of zeros is what? Minus B by A. Now you see alpha is what? Alpha only. Then what can you see? Beta. Beta is 1 plus alpha. It is minus. Now in this, what is A? Just see here. A is 1. B is minus 5. And C is what? K. Okay, C is, this is minus 5 and C is K. Now B is how much? Just look at this equation. B is how much? B is minus is already in formula. B is minus 5. A is what? 1. So alpha plus alpha is how much? 2 alpha plus 1 will remain. Minus into minus plus 5. Then this 1 you send here. What will you get? 2 alpha is equal to 5 minus 1. That is 2 alpha equal to 4. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are alpha, you got it as 2. Okay, I hope you got it. Now if you got alpha, then similarly you will get beta also, because you know what is beta. So beta is what? From this equation, 1 plus alpha, that is 1 plus alpha, just now we have found 1 plus 2 is, beta is how much? 3. Okay, so now we got both alpha and beta. Now easily you can find what? Easily you can find the product. So what is the formula for product of zeros? Can somebody tell me what is the formula for product of zeros? That is alpha into beta. So let me know in the comment section below that what is the formula for the product of zeros now. Yes, let me know fast. Okay, so I am expecting yes, very good. 666 Sam is telling 666 is K is the value. Sir, I think it is wrong. Harsh is telling is having the wrong intention. No dear. So yes, alpha into beta. Moksha is telling right. Very good, Moksha. Very fast and very fastly you have given the answer. That shows the level of keen interest you are having. Then alpha into beta will be what? C by A. Alpha just now we have found 2. Then beta we found 3. C is how much? Just see here. C is K. A is 1. 6 is equal to K. Therefore K is equal to 6 is the answer. Okay. I hope you got this one. See, if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives of solving. If you are having any doubt, kindly put it in the comment section below so that I will just get to know what the issues you are facing. And if you, yes, coming to the next question now, that is again the question is from the textbook, that is question number 26. It will not take much time. It can be solved by using two methods. Okay, either you can use a quadratic polynomial method or you can use directly that is the quadratic equation method. So I will just solve it by using what? The very easy method. See, find the two numbers whose sum. They said what? Sum is 26 and product is what? 182. That is what the question is. See, sum is given how much? Sum is given 27 and product is 182. And product is given what? 182. So find the two numbers they said. So you can assume that let the two numbers be. Okay, let the two numbers be what? X and Y. Okay, I am solving the quadratic equation method. Okay, so let the two equations be X and Y. So how can you do? Or else, how will you do? Sum is what? X plus Y is equal to 27. So you send y here, sorry, you send x here, this side. So y is equal to 27 minus x you will get. Okay, y you will get what? 27 minus x. Okay, so next, what will you get? Product. Product is what? X into y is 182 x. Y is 27 minus x is equal to 182. Just from this only I got this. Okay, in place of y you should substitute what? 27 minus x. Then multiply here. 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Transfer this here. What will come? It will be plus x square. If you transfer, plus will become, it is on the right side. It is 182. Okay, like this you should be able to solve this one. Now you should split this. How to split this one? See, multiply this side, this. That is 182 x square you should split. You will get what? 14 13s are. That is minus 14 minus 13. X is the answer. Okay. Then you should split x square minus, okay, minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Just take this x into x minus 14 minus 13 into x minus 14 is equal to 0. Then you will get what? X minus 14 is common. Then you can find x minus 13, which is this term equal to 0 or this term equal to 0. Either this is 0 or this is 0. So x minus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0. You will get what? X is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. Now, what are the two numbers? You can just see here. What is y now? You can just see here. I need to find y also. Because y is 27 minus x. If x is 14, see, if x is 14, what is y? Y is 27 minus x. 27 minus 14 is what? 13. So if x is 14, y is 13, or if I take x is equal to 13. So what is y? 27 minus x. It is 27 minus 13. So y is equal to 14. So like this you will get what? The two numbers here are 13 and 14, and in the last you should give the final description like this. I hope you got it. Okay. So let me know any kind of the doubt you are having. So yes, so I hope you all are, those who are online or those who are just seeing this video, I hope you are following it. If not, kindly put in a comment section below so that I can just in detail I can able to solve. Very good. Kundan is telling x is equal to 14 and 13. Sir, screen is not clear. I hope screen is clear now because yes, so if just increase your resolution to 1080, then only Moksha is telling 3914. Very good, Moksha. That shows the level of interest you are showing. Then the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So the next question is what? The altitude of right angle triangle. So yeah, altitude means what? Perpendicular. That is 90 degree. Okay, so is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides they are telling. Okay, so let us begin with this. Already it is 9:09. So I will solve two more questions, and tomorrow I will begin with the solution of remaining questions. Okay, so sir, please upload key answer as soon as possible. As soon as I finish this session, I will upload. Yes, Sangu is telling, Sangu Reddy, nice to see you online. Prakash is telling, sir, PDF definitely. Up to here I will share the PDF as soon as I will finish it. Okay, so next you see here how to solve this. See, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So suppose this is a right angle triangle and this is B, this is A and this is C. Opposite of 90 degree is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, and this is base and this is what? Altitude. This is what? Altitude. Okay, this one is altitude. Now what they have said is the altitude. So what will I take it? Let the base be x. Okay, you take base be what? X centimeter. That means this is what? X centimeter you take. Then they said what? The altitude. Okay, the altitude of a right angle triangle 7 centimeter less than this. That means what is the base x? इससे ये 7 क्या है? कम है. And the hypotenuse is 13. Okay, now what should you do? You should what should you do now? You should able to let know that how to solve this one. So here what can you just see is you can able to solve this by using which theorem? Can somebody tell me by which theorem I should able and I should capable to solve this one? Okay, so let me know fast that by which theorem I should able and capable to solve this one. Okay, I hope it is visible on the screen now. So yes, let me know which theorem should I use to find this. Yes, let me know fast. So base is 12, altitude is 5, Kundan is telling nice, Ranjita is telling 12, very good. So others kindly let me know how to solve. See, you should use what? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so you should use Pythagoras theorem here. So what is the Pythagoras theorem you can expect to solve here? See, Pythagoras theorem is AC square, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that is what Pythagoras theorem you should use here. Okay, I hope you are getting the clarity. So then AC is how much? It is 13 square. AB is how much? Yes, let me know what is AB now. AB is x minus 7 the whole square plus BC is how much? X square. Now what should you do here is you should use a minus b the whole square. That means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here you should use what? A minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square you should use. Now let me know how to solve this. 13 square is 169. Here a square x square minus 2x into 7 plus this square. 7 square will come plus x square you will get. So here it is 169. See, x square and x square are what? Like terms. So you will get x square and x square as like terms. So 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Then what should you do? 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Take this on right side. So what will happen? Minus 169 equal to 0. Then you just see 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. Now what is common in all these three? You find 2 is common in all these three. So if you take 2 common, x square minus 7x minus 60, okay, equal to 0. This 2 will multiply with 0 and it will become 0. Okay. So now what will happen? X square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now you should multiply this and this. That means 60 x square you should split in such a way that you should get minus 7. How will you do this? 12 5s are 60. So it is minus 12 plus 5. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. So what is common in these two? X is common. Okay. So if you take x common, it is x minus 12 plus 5 common, it is x minus 12 equal to 0. Again you see that x minus 12 is what? Common. If you take x minus 12, x plus 5 will remain. So this term equal to 0, this term equal to 0. X minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. This one you take here, x is equal to plus 12 or x is equal to minus 5. But this minus 5 is what? Rejected. Why? Because side cannot be negative. Therefore, base is equal to what? X is equal to 12 centimeter. But you should find altitude also. What is altitude? Altitude is 7 less than base. Okay. Altitude is what? X minus 7. So 12 minus 7 is how much? It is 5 centimeter. So like this you should able to solve this one. Okay. I hope you got this one. Okay, so like this you should able to solve. So if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives. Okay, so altitude is x minus base, very good. Abram is telling 12 and 5, very good. That shows the level of interest you are showing towards this subject. Okay, so coming to the next question, and I hope this will be the last question of our discussion today. Then subsequently from question number 28 I will be solving all the questions, and in 2 days I will be finishing this. Okay, so after only 10 questions, so total 38 questions are there in question paper, and yes, so maximum questions I will be solving now. Okay, So, question number 27, that is a direct question from your textbook has come, and I hope each and everyone knows how to solve it. So, I will make it sure that I will finish up early. So, it's already 9:16 now. So, this will be the last question of my discussion. After that, I will finish the class. Okay. So, let us begin with solution of solving the question number 27, and this will be the last question of my today's discussion. So question number 27 already I have solved in my previous video while solving the last 5-year questions from trigonometry. I already solved, but again it is in the model question paper. It's my obligation to solve it. Okay. So yes, Abhay, what happened to answer? So Dhruva Kalal is telling, hi Dhruva, nice to see you online. 12,5. Yes. So send Karunga. Harsh is telling, nice. So coming to solution of what? Question number 27. Question number 27 says that, okay, sin A plus cosec A the whole square. Okay, sin A plus cosec square the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square is equal to, you should prove 7 plus tan square A plus, you should prove what? 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. You should prove this one. Okay. Now, tell me how to do this. See, in order to solve this one, you should use one formula, that is A plus B the whole square. Which formula it is? A plus B the whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula you use, and within no time you will get the answer. And this is the only question in your textbook which has all the three identities of trigonometry. Okay. So how to solve this? Sin A plus cosec A the whole square. So I will write sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cosec square A. Okay. Then plus you write this one. What is that? Cos square A plus 2 cos A into sec A plus sec square A. Now you got to know this, and this will become what? 1. Why? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is a direct identity. You should remember. Okay, what will you get? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Then similarly, you should know that, what you should know? Sin A into cosec A equal to what? 1. Okay. Why? Because reciprocal of sin A is what? Cosec A. So if you just cancel out, you will get 1. Similarly, cos A into, see here, cos A is reciprocal of sec A. If you just transfer here, cos A into sec A, you will left out with 1. Therefore, cos A into sec A is equal to, what will you get? Equal to 1. I hope you are connecting to me. Now what will you get? See, sin square A plus cos square A 1 ho gaya. Then 2. This sin A into cosec A is 1. Cosec square A write as it is, plus this together has become 1. 2. This cos A into sec A has become 1, and this is sec square A. Now just see here, you should know the two identities. Which are the identities now? See, 1 plus cot square A is what? Cosec square A, and 1 plus tan square A is what? Sec square A. This one you should know. Now you see here it is 1, 2 ones are 2. Then cosec square, can I write this? Yes, 1 plus cot square A I will write, plus again 2 ones are 2, plus I will write sec square A as what? 1 plus tan square A. I hope you are following. If you are following, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives of solving. Then you see here 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7. You will get 7. Then tan square A, which is plus cot square A. So this will give you what? RHS. Okay. So I hope you got this one how to solve. Just question number 27. You see we need to find 7 plus tan square and cot square A, and we got what? 7 plus tan square and cot square A here. Okay, so I hope you all are following. From tomorrow, So tomorrow I will begin with from question number 28. So I will be solving all set of questions, okay, 28, 29 to up to question number 38. So let us begin with the discussion that tomorrow. And thank you so much for joining the live session. If you are really finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives, and I will share the key answers for this in the subsequent Telegram and WhatsApp group. Kindly join them so that more helpful study material I will be uploading. And if you really want to uplift your studies, and if you want to gear up by scoring packages, by solving last 5 question papers, kindly just message or WhatsApp or call to the given number. You can see on the screen here, 8123426450. Our team is always ready to connect back to you. And yes, so it will be the books, 12 set of books you will get. It will be delivered in 2 or 3 working days at your doorstep. That is the initiative from our side we have taken. So this one will definitely help you, I give guarantee, and you find all the answers here. So thank you so much, Harsh. So thank you all those people who are in line. Bye, and keep learning and keep growing. So I will meet very soon tomorrow. And so thank you so much. I will come up with more such sessions. Take care and all the very best. Prepare well for your exams. Okay. Thank you and take care.